In this video, we're going to look at a simple report where we can identify all the service IDs and make sure they have been reviewed and password changed on a particular time interval. Okay, so we go to SUIM, we go to users by complex selection criteria, Okay, so we want to look for all the, let's go back. We want to look at by logon date and password change, right? So if the company says we are changing the passwords for every 6 months or 1 year, so valid today, okay, and you want only service users, we want to just look for service users, okay. Let's say we want to only look for service users, okay, and then only without locks, right, which are not locked. Okay, that's okay. So with this criteria, we just want to execute this report. Okay, let's say invalid also. Okay, no users in that criteria. Okay, so we should, as an auditor, you should run this. Okay, let's look at other ones also. Okay, now we're getting a rest. Okay, failed logons. Okay, password was changed on to 23/3/2018. Okay, so this report has to be executed frequently to make sure the password are being changed for service dialogue, mainly service users and communication system users, right? Because these users you have to frequently change the passwords. Okay, so let's say references users. Let's go back, let's run the other report. Thanks for watching the video. Please click on the link below to download the free SAP Cyber-Security password checker, right? Default user ID and password checker. Thank you.